In this video, I will show you how to convert your Excel file into JPG. So click on File and Save As. Save As type, select here PDF. You will not see the option for JPG here. So firstly, you have to convert your Excel file into PDF. Then click on Save. So now this Excel file into PDF. Now here, search PDF to JPG and open any website. Now select your converted PDF file from Excel. Now select it. Then click on Convert to JPG. Download that image. So this way you can convert your Excel file into JPG format. So thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you or not. Save it. Search PDF to JPG. Now open any website and select. Then convert to JPG. It will auto download, and also you can download manually. Now open it. So thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you or not.